oranges too, and almost like this one. Come on, Brandon.
They're going to throw it there to Georgia. He's going to like
Hurry! Now,
Way to go, Brandon. Yay!
Come on, girl, make it a liquid ball!
Good job, guys. Good job.
Come on,
It can be there, baby.
right one.
just like
Oh, you sell ball spin?
Uh-uh. Dean's pitching now. Blake was pitching.
Take him around.
Score was 10 to 1. It was 11 to in the first inning. Where's Cherish at? I don't even know where Cherish is. Do you know? There's Jordan, my little DJ man.
It's not a DJ anymore for sure.
He's grilling for Cherish's birthday. It's her 11th birthday. I can't believe it.
Got time to eat.
Okay. Better give you a drink. Get a drink. She.
Brianna, we're all playing with her. I was just standing here with them while they were petting her. Because Brianna was like choking him.
After she's probably like, I'm going in the pen. They won't come in there. Dog poop.
There's no poop in there.
She is coming back in there. I'm sorry. Yeah, we can. Everybody's coming up. Hey, you guys, we're going to do cake for Cherish's birthday.
We better get the cake. Because I know they're probably going to go before getting
Okay.
Take that Barbie.
I said, I told Mom, I said, I'm making somebody nice. I said, it's Emily, come here. Come on, Carrie. I'll show Emily our dog. We didn't see pictures of you.
Oscar didn't come out for about 15 minutes after I got home. Mom said Cody came out for Jason. And Cody does like
Who's?
Oh, wait.
Look at me, Cherish.
Who?
Me, Mom. Look at Mommy.
Here, let me get on that side.
when you learn how to tell your son.
My camera is not the battery. It's something else.
I can't get the blue one on my face.
No.
Wait a minute, I can't get the
Oh, what's here, Barbara? I got one. Get up here.
Okay, don't touch him, don't touch him.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here, oh, Judy, I really,
behind her and then we can get a picture of you too.
11.
oh, I'm sorry.
The balloon just. Go ahead. That's okay. Balloon got in my way, but that's okay. I got it. We'll put it on the table and light it, okay? Brianna, real quick, and then I'll let you back.
You might have a hard time lighting in this wind.
I knew.
Am I in the way at all? Because I sure don't want to be in the picture.
Did you have fun, Chrissy? You have fun. You are really
Okay, let's put it on the table and we'll take pictures. I mean, take pictures.
Wait until you eat, okay?
We're getting ready to eat, guys.
See if we can light it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cherish. Happy birthday to you.
She's one anymore. So
She's oh my gosh, you tore the complete cake up.
Anybody
Of course, I'm gonna take pictures
A
of you.
balloon?
Stand behind her.
Don't touch
From where?
Oh, boy, that's scary.
Okay, guys, girls, get by Cherish.
Where's the green stuff?
I think Grandma took it. No, it's still there. Get together. Get Dakota. Get by it. Get back here behind Alyssa. Dakota. Get behind them. Cherish, get there. Daphne, you get over there.
Yeah, he had that balloon in his face. Oh, God, yeah. If I had my car, then I'd run it through the mine.
Get over there.
Which one of y'all is that?
Okay, Alyssa, look. Because we've washed them. Get up there, Ian.
And Jared, is yours in the dollar bill?
Stand up and get a picture of you. Get over there. Hold the balloons. Yeah, Barbara, hold the balloons. Do something.
Can you get over here? Oh, never mind.
Oh, get Daniel in there. Get Daniel. Oh, put Daniel in Trish's lap. You gotta do it quick. Okay, guys. Look.
George, put the drink down. Daniel.
My camera takes forever. Hang on. Just hang on. Hang on. Couple more. Just a minute.
Cherish, look. Daniel.
Why'd you put your car? Oh, put it up there. Daniel. My camera just quit.
Are you done?
Take this one. Just quit. And I just put a brand new battery in it.
You put the battery in right?
The best camera is the 65
I want
Canon.
some zooming ones.
Well, this goes up to 68.
Okay, we're gonna cut the cake.
Oh, this goes up to 65.
Cake and ice cream.
Cake and ice cream. Okay, we'll get you a piece. Let's get the balls
Them,
off of it.
I had a horrible time with. This one, I don't have a minute of trouble. But you don't use yours as much as I do either.
Get the balloons.
I mean, I've got to, I take,
Your picture to last, Cherish.
Emma, but I want
Fly, Judy, it's on.
Why don't you want your friends are coming? Hey, your friends are coming on.
It doesn't matter.
No, wait a minute.
We're gonna get the cake. There's just gonna be plenty this Okay, Barbara.
do you not feel good?
I want that piece.
There's cupcakes or what? Cupcakes. Oh, here. Wait a minute. Put my camera. I don't want it to get messed up. Look, I made
Which
these.
one, baby?
Daniel made the baby ones.
No, that one.
Oh,
What? I want a leather one.
Tricia said she's gonna be nice.
they want to go home tonight. I mean,
There's 4 in here, and I
Oh,
thought
I'm
that
with
you
Mom
could
and Dad.
decorate them. And
with them.
there's 4, I thought it'd be, you
is
would
that
do
pretty?
one.
Where's Bo?
4, I thought she could decorate them.
One potato to you.
There's Kara and Rachel. They finally picked them up.
Wait, Margie,
I'm glad they could make it.
I can get Judy out here though. Judy, Mama's gotta go because the rain's headed here and your dad's gonna get the same. She
No.
wants to see you.
They're not leaving yet, Mom.
Kurt,
Look, you made Kara and Rachel mad. They're leaving.
Jerry.
Now we'll definitely have to get a picture of her in a minute. Hold on, open that one. Cherish, open
She was hitting on her shoe.
Brianna, move out
She
the way.
said she liked them and,
She's been with some kind of suit.
that's for me and your mom. We're gonna do your room
That's
for
just,
you.
don't open it. It's
Don't
a
open
plan. Just open the rest of the stuff.
It's
and
a
you'll-
what?
It's a curtain. Judy, I gotta get my stuff. We'll show you. It don't matter. You can go in there. Hang on.
Do you like her pattern?
Can you get everything in? Here.
Here, here's more. Judy, if you want to take it,
No, you'll tear it up.
I can't put my foot in it. It's too small.
they want her to stay.
What? Oh, this is it.
It's going right. It's going right.
You guys gotta go. Here, Brianna, move out of the way. I want you to take a picture of her chair. Bye. See ya. Thanks for coming. Bye.
See you, buddy.
Happy birthday, kid.
I got up this morning. This is after Cherish's birthday party. And the ducks are underneath the table cleaning up. of her birthday party. Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Kyle, you're in the hole. Jordan's up to bat right now, and then Dean, Brandon, Kyle. Jordan's up to bat.
Give yourself every opportunity. Go ahead, Win. Hit one. Find his man.
Okay.
Love you, Dad. Pass Russell. Back.
Oh, dang, that's what they did.
For just won their tournament game, they played good.
I see it. Well, I see where it came down. Oh, okay.
Jordan! My baby boy.
What time? What's the time? Who's keeping track of it? He gets a chance to play.
But I suggest you,
I know, I said I knew.
What I'm going to do here,